All right, it's Friday, July 12th. Just following up on Uber. I decided to take just a base hit gain on this trade. Bought it at the lower blue line, scaled out at its target up here at the upper blue line. Got the shooter bar a little bit down back to my entry point, so I just exited the rest of the trade at break even. So overall, like I said, bought the stock at 73.21. I was expecting it to hit 73.65, my target, so I scaled out. Then when it came back down near entry, I just exited 73.27. Overall, a little small gain here. Again, it's not like the price is broken down so much and should be heading lower. If it holds the midpoint of this first bar, it could just be consolidating here and breaking out. This was certainly an inflection area, this triple top, and I wanted to see if it broke through quickly. The market itself is tricky today after a big red day yesterday down. It's a lot of things have moved up a little bit to start, but it's just inside of yesterday's price action. So it's just not an easy day to find things to trade overall, even though there's definitely an up bias with some of the indexes. So even though the stock, it's a logical pause area, could hold here and eventually move higher. To me, I just wanted to see if that initial thrust might break through. Since it didn't, I just decided to take a base hit. Again, very nimble day trading today. A lot of the indexes, like the SPY, you can see here is moving up pretty sharply, which is fine, after that big move down. But it's still just inside of that action, so it's tough to say what's really going to happen today. Is it going to reverse completely all the way up? I don't know for sure. You certainly wouldn't want to be selling it here near the open after yesterday's red bar, and buying it would have been pretty aggressive here, not knowing how it's going to work, and from yesterday's inside day. So it's a little tricky. A lot of stocks have started up, but they're not really necessarily going to follow through. I can go along the board and see a lot of stocks from yesterday's, move down. They're starting up, but nothing, easy to, they're still below the midpoint of the prior day and everything else. So, it's a tricky scenario to me. I think it'll be a choppy day today overall. So anyway, just following up on Uber, that I just wanted to exit here. And even if it pauses and then heads a big move up, that's fine. Just showing you, how I'm kind of judging this stock relative to the market and relative to the fact that it's a pause area here where it may or may not want to get through today. So anyway, it was high probability to take out yesterday's high. Just thought I'd, on this red to green move, buying it here at this blue line to get to here. So that was kind of the main, expectation today on Uber, and we'll see where it ends up, for the rest of the day.